Meaning of dispensing chemist.
Dispensing chemist.
Dispensing chemist.
Dispensing chemist.
Dispensing chemist. A dispensing chemist is a professional who prepares and dispenses drugs and medicines prescribed by doctors or other healthcare professionals. They work in pharmacies or drugstores and are responsible for ensuring that the right medication is given to patients according to their prescriptions. Dispensing chemists must also understand the properties of various drugs and be able to provide advice to patients on how to use them correctly. Overall, their aim is to ensure that patients receive the correct medication in a safe and timely manner, and to provide guidance on how to use it properly to improve their health outcomes.